Today we are going to learn how to grow ginger at home in a container. Firstly, you will need a container with holes at the bottom, filled with 80% compost and 20% soil. You will need 2 pieces of ginger root, that is rhizomes. They look like this. You should soak 2 pieces of ginger in water for at least a week until it develops roots and shoots, just like these two. The ginger multiplies and reproduces by dividing its rhizomes, as we will see later on in this video. Ginger needs warm and sunny weather to grow. Firstly, you dig a hole into the soil and you place the ginger root or the rhizome into the soil and you cover it properly. The hole that you dig should be at least 2 inches deep, and then you place it in the soil and you cover it up, leaving the shoot on top. The soil that you place, the 80% compost, 20% soil that you mix, will give you a good well drained soil, meaning the water will drain properly and it will not stagnate to rot in the root. This is why you need this type of soil. So after 9 months, your ginger plant will develop and look like this, and then you will know that it's ready to harvest. So ginger needs warm and sunny weather to grow. So to harvest it, you just extract it from the pot like this. You pull it out holding the plant and just pull it out from the pot, and then you'll have nice looking ginger like this. Now ginger can be used to cook, to make tea, to make drink, and it has many beneficial properties, such as it can decrease the risk of many types of cancer, it reduces pain, inflammation in the body, it relieves heartburn, it prevents diabetes, control high cholesterol, it relieves migraine, it's a treatment for cold and flu, especially in this time of COVID. It strengthens the immune system. It promotes good respiratory health, it improves blood flow, and it lets you better absorb nutrients from your food, and many more beneficial properties. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video.